let's not get into that debate. Faizan ji, let's not get into that debate. Let me go to PK Jain. One second, Kaushal ji, one second. Let's also get in PK Jain, who's also
ask the Bharatiya Janata Party spokesperson to counter the data I have given him.
Mr. PK Jain ji, one second, Faizan ji will take turns here. PK Jain ji, you've been someone who's been involved. You've been on ground. Help us understand, where does the order come from? Because again, a lot of politics goes behind closed doors as well. A lot is said, but at the end of the day, the execution is in the hands of the authorities, the policemen who are there on the ground. Where does the order come from exactly?
Yeah, Namaskar. Thank you very much. See, I would not be taking any political lines. I'm strictly telling you the official position in this matter. As a police officer, we are only required to provide security to the demolition team. Whether the demolition is legal or illegal, the entire consequence has to be faced or borne by the authority concerned. In this case, and in the case, the stand taken by the Honorable Supreme Court earlier was,
sorry to interrupt
you, today is,
you said demolition team. Who constitutes this demolition team? Is this the government? Is this,
see, demolition,
come through
yes,
the government?
Demolition. Yeah, the demolition team could be the local municipal authorities or the revenue authorities. It's predominantly, or maybe in very rare cases, it would be the cantonment boards. So wherever a demolition takes place, so that in order there's no law and order situation, people generally, you see, I can quote n number of instances from Mumbai. Whenever there was a demolition taking place, especially in Sanjay Gandhi National Park, hundreds of people would get together, and then they would start stone pelting. Some people would get injured in the lathi charge. Some people would get injured or some policemen and municipal employees would get injured in the stone pelting, and the demolition would be stopped there itself. Now, what is happening in this case is that the teams go prepared because they are aware of the kind of opposition taking place. Now, you see the latest case in Assam where people gathered and they wanted to prevent some kind of a demolition drive. So the government has to decide, or the concerned planning authority has to decide as to what is to be demolished and whether it is legal or illegal. But any illegal structure can be demolished, has to be demolished. The Supreme Court says that anything which is legal, you take legal action. They've been given notices, yes. Many a times it is seen that when a notice is given, immediately the guy goes to the court and obtains a stay order. So they have categorized the demolitions and the illegalities in certain categories. Certain categories, they require a notice. Certain categories, no notice is required, you simply go and demolish. So there are different, it's a very complicated matter. So, but coming to say that the Muslim properties were demolished or Hindu properties were demolished, it's an absolute travesty of justice. And I don't think we should take a side like this, which is now being taken, I see, on your show. See, if an authority has decided that there are two cases which I see specifically, one in Rajasthan, where a landlord's house was demolished. That is a gross illegality. You can't simply, just because the guy was staying somewhere, nobody checked whether he was staying in a rented house or in an owned house, and the house of the landlord was demolished. See, this is the kind of order where the Honorable Supreme Court's order would now be very, very specific. But places where there's a blatant encroachment, illegal structures, even today, the Supreme Court has not prevented those demolitions to be carried out. Now, to say whether they belong to Muslims or to Hindus or any other community is all trash.
Let's not get into that, Dr. Kaushal Mishra. Now, you said that there is no glorification of this particular bulldozer justice in the BJP. It's just carried out. But then we hear terms like bulldozer Baba, bulldozer Mama, bulldozer Chacha, and all of these happen in BJP ruled states. I mean, this entire system of justice seems to be spreading like wildfire. And coincidentally, if I may say, all of these happen to be BJP ruled states.
Okay. Now listen the facts. Mr. Shrikant Tyagi, who is from BJP, Greater Noida, his home is demolished. Devendra Pandey from Prayagraj, from BJP, illegal construction demolished. Nand Gopal Nandri, ex-minister, illegal construction demolished. Rajiv Rana, illegal construction, Bareilly, demolished. Apart from this, Nitin Gadkari, our minister, and we set the principle and we are party with the difference. He bulldozed his own in-laws' house because it was coming on the encroachment passing road. So what we are, these are the data. Now about the fact what was asked by Mr. Samajwadi Party spokesperson. I am telling the fact. In 2023, 36% of the property demolished by Uttar Pradesh is belonging to SC, ST, OBCs and minorities. Only 36. It means more than that is from open category, means non-specified category. In 2022, 27% property belonged to SC, ST, OBCs and minority. So just coming here and put forward the wrong fact, it is wrong. And I am telling another fact. Jamaat-e-Ulema-e-Hind, who approached the court on the Madhya Pradesh illegal demolition, he cited that the 70 shops was demolished by Madhya Pradesh government, of which all are from the minority category. But the today's Supreme Court has seen that only 20 shops belong to the minority, 50 were from the non-minority. They are just politicizing the issue only because of vote bank politics. Another thing.
Okay.
And just listen, please don't interrupt. If we come to the Delhi, in 2018, in Delhi, 6,192 structure was demolished. This is a real fact, hardcore, in Delhi. And it is reduced to 4,042 in 2022. So, who is the Delhi government? So, please don't hide on the wrong fact. Come with the clean and hardcore real fact. And today
only the clean, hardcore real facts, you can go and cross-check.
Okay, Faizan ji, I'll get in Faizan ji here.
Please.